The coolant reservoir in the 2015-2018 Audi Q3 is located on the driver's side of the engine bay. It's positioned next to the radiator and secured by a plastic bracket. No changes to this location have been made from the original design. We'll explore this in more detail, but that's the short answer. The coolant reservoir is vital for your Audi Q3's engine cooling system. It stores excess coolant, accommodating expansion during engine operation. It also recirculates coolant as the engine cools, preventing air pockets in the radiator. A pressure relief cap, rated around 1.2-1.5 bar, is also a key component. To locate the coolant reservoir, first open your Audi Q3's hood. Stand on the driver's side of the vehicle. Look for a translucent polyethylene plastic container near the firewall beside the radiator. Note that it might be partially hidden by the air intake hose or battery. Refer to your owner's manual for a diagram if needed. The coolant reservoir in your Audi Q3 is crucial for maintaining engine temperature. It acts as a buffer, storing excess coolant that expands during operation and releasing it when the engine cools, ensuring consistent cooling system pressure. Proper coolant levels are essential. Overfilling the reservoir can cause spills and coolant leaks, potentially contaminating other engine components. Conversely, low coolant levels allow air pockets to form, leading to overheating and serious engine damage like warped heads or seized pistons. To maintain optimal performance, check coolant levels monthly through the translucent reservoir. J.D. Power data shows that coolant system issues account for 8% of all Audi Q3 repairs, making this simple maintenance step critical for avoiding costly breakdowns. The Audi Q3's plastic coolant reservoir is prone to cracks after 100,000 miles due to plastic degradation. Mechanics estimate that 15 to 20% of these models experience cooling issues annually. To extend the reservoir's lifespan, check coolant levels monthly and perform a coolant flush every 60,000 miles. Aftermarket upgrades provide enhanced durability for the coolant reservoir. The original equipment manufacturer reservoir is made of plastic that can degrade over time, especially in high-mileage vehicles. Reinforced plastic or aluminum aftermarket reservoirs resist cracking and offer better heat dissipation. Many include features like sight glasses for easy coolant level monitoring and improved hose fittings. Environmental regulations are driving the adoption of eco-friendly coolants, such as organic acid technology fluids. These newer coolants may not be compatible with older reservoirs, requiring upgrades to prevent corrosion and ensure proper performance. When installing performance modifications, the reservoir placement may need to change for optimal cooling. Some tuners relocate it to cooler areas like behind the bumper to improve airflow and prevent overheating during high-performance driving. A real-world example involves a 2017 Audi Q3 with 150,000 miles that suffered engine failure due to a cracked coolant reservoir. The plastic reservoir degraded over time, causing coolant loss and overheating during operation. The owner replaced the original OEM plastic reservoir with a more durable aftermarket aluminum unit. This upgrade provides better heat dissipation and resistance to cracking, extending the reservoir's lifespan significantly. Another case involved the 2018 Q3 recall for faulty thermostat housings, which indirectly affected reservoir pressure and caused leaks in thousands of vehicles. This highlights how interconnected cooling system components can impact reservoir integrity. Automotive trends are shifting toward digital monitoring of coolant levels via smartphone apps using OBD2 sensors. These apps provide real-time alerts and eliminate the need for manual reservoir checks. Electrification will see similar reservoirs used for battery thermal management in EVs. These systems keep batteries within optimal temperature ranges for performance and longevity. Smart reservoirs with automatic fluid top-ups are expected in future vehicles. These systems use advanced sensors to maintain optimal coolant levels without manual intervention. Although your Q3 is not an EV, proper maintenance will keep it running smoothly as automotive technology evolves.